Hi everyone, I am Sri Devi, Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. In this video lecture, we are going to learn about addressing modes in computer organization. On completion of this module, the learners can be able to understand what are the different types of addressing modes and how the execution of different types of addressing modes. So initially you have to know about what is an addressing mode. So operation field of an instruction specifies the operation to be performed, and this operation must be performed in some data. For example, this instruction need to specify the data which the operation is called as uh, performed, but the operation may be in accumulator, general purpose register, or some specified memory location. So the appropriate memory location is need to be assessed. So after completion of this module, the learners can able to understand the types of different types of addressing modes. The main and uh, very often used addressing modes are uh, register addressing mode, implied and immediate addressing modes, direct and indirect addressing modes, register indirect addressing mode, auto increment and auto decrement addressing mode, and displacement based addressing modes. These are the different types of addressing modes. First one is the implied addressing mode. Implied addressing mode may also known as implicit or inherent addressing mode, in which in this addressing mode no operand or register or memory data is specified in the instruction. So here it is a complement accumulator, which is an implied mode instruction because of the operand. Here the accumulator register is implied in the definition of the accumulator. Then CMA here the complement the content of accumulator. CMA similarly the instruction RLC, rotate left with carry and rotate right with carry. All register reference the instruction that use an accumulator and zero address instruction in the stack organized computer are impiled in this instruction. So here in this immediate addressing mode, which is specified in the instruction itself. In other words, in immediate addressing modes, instruction has an operand field rather than the addressing field, in which the instruction contain actual operand to be operated in conjunction with the operand specified in the instruction. For example, MVI06 means MVI stands for move the accumulators, that is this value 6, move 6 to the accumulator, that is the meaning of MVI 06. And add 5 means add 5 is the content of the accumulator. So already some content of the accumulator will be there, and you have to add number 5 with the content of the accumulator. This instruction is called as add 5. This is executed like this only. Then this is the instruction of this addressing opcode operand move CL comma 03H. 03 is the 8-bit immediate source of operand, and CL is the 8-bit register. So here this is the moving the content of this 8-bit register here. So here this instruction format is direct and indirect addressing mode is shown below. It consists of 3-bit opcode, 12-bit addressing, and a mode bit designated as I. The mode bit I is 0 for direct address and 1 for indirect address. Now we will discuss about this in detail. So here 0 for direct address and 1 for indirect address. So here 1 is mode bit, here 1. So instruction format is opcode and operand. Then direct addressing mode. Direct addressing mode is also known as absolute addressing mode, in which in this mode address of data is specified in the instruction itself. That is, in this type of mode, the operand resides in this memory and its address is given directly by the address field of the instruction. This means, in other words, in this mode, the address field contains effective address of the operand. This is called as direct addressing modes. And indirect addressing mode, just it is reverse of this direct addressing mode. Here EA equal to A, that is EA is the effective address. So here this means the control fetches the instruction from the memory and it uses it and address addresses the part of memory again and to read effective address. For example, add A. This means adds the content of the cell pointed to content of A to the accumulator. And this all are the different types of addressing modes. Hope you all understand this session. Thank you for listening.